Si Mommy at Daddy pa rin ang tunay na mag-asawa.
Sandali lang! Yes! Paano kami? Kasal din kami ni Jordan.
I'm sorry. Pero, anything after their marriage is null and void. Walang bisa ang kasal niyo ni Jordan.
How beautiful!
Kaya nga gaya ng nasabi ko, kina Jordan at Christy pa rin ang tunay at legal na mag-asawa.
Araw to ng anak natin, Jordan. Huwag nating hayaang masira ang celebration na to nang dahil lang sa bad news na sinabi ni Atty.
Sabi ko nga, mamaya na natin pag-usapan to eh.
Will you shut up? You've done enough. Hindi. It's just a piece of paper. Diba? Sa mata ng lahat, kami na ni Jordan na magkasama. At may anak na kaming dalawa. At hindi na magbabago yon. Diba, Jordan? Araw to ng anak natin. Let's just continue the celebration. Diba, Jordan? Let's not spoil it. Okay? Huh? Let's go, Jordan.
Thank you, Attorney. Anak. Oh my gosh, you should be happy. It's a celebration. Let's go, let's go. Oh, she's so affected. She's so affected. Oh my gosh, I love it.